Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, after recently hearing about the individual by the name of Linford Robinson, who ended up on the St. Vincent police radar, right, and catch him with AR-15, same as the hitman work and all kind of foolishness. Now we're here, say, another Jamaican ended up on the wanted list, this time in Bahamas. Or well, was on the wanted list, because nowhere here the police actually catch her by the time I started making this video. Right, get a website link, and it turns out the police them actually have her in custody. Yes, you heard me correctly. It's a her. We're talking about a woman. According to the website bahamaspress.com, right, we're hearing that police them have Shanida Beckford, right, alias Star, in custody. Them lock her up for murder. It turns out, according to this website, that she killed her woman. So this is woman and woman violence. Stab up the woman. They on the run for a week, which is how she end up on the wanted list. Right. And the police them finally have her. She's in custody. Now what I find really interesting. Remember, I'm telling you, say, never keep seeing this Jamaican national thing all over the press, you know. Look on the screen right now. As you can see at the top, obviously, Royal Bahamas Police Force and all that. Sure. Wanted for murder. But look on the section with the name. Look on her name. Her full name, according to this wanted poster. Sometimes you have to take bad things make a joke. Her full name is Shanida Beckford alias Star, Jamaica National. The Jamaica National even her name. Even in her name. So you can't miss it. Right there in a bold. They will make sure make the rest of Bahamas and the rest of the Caribbean and the rest of the world know this woman is a Jamaican national. But they tell him, so you never come to this. Because the rest of the islands, the rest of the world can see for themselves that the country named Jamaica consistently tops murder charts. Right. So when them hold on a Jamaican, them now miss the opportunity to make the world know. So see how we catch one. See one here? Tell me how this woman, right, I don't know nothing about her, but judging by the pictures I see right here, so I know woke TV claim say you can't know by looking at picture, but because I'm not at that level of wokeness, right? Me I say what me see, and for what me see, look like a quote unquote hot girl, right? Hair done, makeup done, right? Oh, hot girl end up on wanted list. Based on the reports of is our woman more than likely has some kind of crime of passion, and once you bought knife, right, multiple stab wounds, so like, you know, flying a fit of rage, and you know, I must say even woman can have the girl coronavirus, you know. But when you think about somebody who make murder charge, this is not the typical image you have in your mind, right? So anybody who have the resources can buy the ear, buy the makeup, right? Especially if they might born with, you know, being easy on the eye. When push come to shove, at them time they find out who is who. And I guess whatever happened, she decided that she was going to settle it, right, with a knife. She go up on the run for a week. So that alone tell me say something is off. If it was a case where, you know, self-defense or whatever, then we had up on the run for a week. To the point where you have to end up on police wanted post, and police have to look for you. It don't look too good for her. I'm sure our family in Jamaica probably soon launch some kind of PR campaign. You know, it got ready. You know, when people are yard, see them loved ones abroad get caught up in things like this, they normally launch a PR campaign quick. But since the news say, right, a female sprat on sprat violence, Let me briefly touch upon a topic where, again, you hardly hear about this in Jamaica. And it's the fact say, when you think about man and woman affairs, when you think about domestic violence, it normally comes to your mind of a man beating a woman, right? And that happens enough, obviously. I don't need to tell you that. But what people don't really talk about is the fact that in a female separate relationships, enough woman beat woman hard. Enough women are serial abusers to other women. But for some reason, nobody not talk about it. The man that beat the woman get talked about, and it should. It's not a competition. I'm not saying stop talk about it. I'm saying people need to acknowledge that enough of these female separate relationships are very acidic. Whole heap of beating, throw down, whole heap of knife, get fling off and all kind of things. Just that society take a more, there's certain things in society turn the blind eye to. Because it just not the same, you just don't get the same level of response from the public, because enough people do things only to get response, Them don't really care about the cause, Just like in the video, the Peter King video, I say, there's no real big push against what happened to little boys, right? When Big Predator takes it on little boys, because you don't really get much, nobody really have much sympathy for boys or men in general, right? And the same thing happened right also, but the flip side to it, which is that people have all sympathy for the female abuser. The woman who beat the woman still gets sympathy because she's a woman. She's not looked at as a monster. A man that beat the woman is a monster and he's a beast. Man, him forget tie up on tree and every foot broke. Right. But the female who beat the woman hard, society have a different attitude towards them. A lot of your favorite female sprats are get beaten hard from them woman. And sometimes when you see when the female co-workers coming to the office, coming to the workplace with them eye black and blue, and yet people start whisper, look like our man must be beat. And our man is our woman beater. Female and female violence is rampant in a lot of these relationships. We don't ever talk about the man spread them, because we don't know that already. We know so when for them thing jump off, you have to go call fire brigade to cool it. We don't know that. But again, nobody in the talk about that. Right. We know so the man spread them beat each other regular. Right. Cut up each other and dash each other and gully and all kind of things. But the females, you best believe a lot of these relationships are very acidic. You ever notice that in the female separate relationship there's generally one who take on a more macho vibe, like one is more, how would I say, more of a masculine vibe. Some of those masculine types, them not just beat woman, them beat man too. Some of those masculine types, the mannish one in the female separate relationship, them will beat man too. Them step to man on the regular. Now if you don't know where they might get a box in your face from one of them. So I'm not surprised when I hear about relationship with woman and stab up woman and all kind of things. When them get mad, then get mad. Just as acidic as a man and woman relationship. You have to understand the culture doesn't discriminate between your people's preference, whether they're into this or into that. There's a culture the same way you have man who say, if my woman look for the next man, I go do this to her at the same rate of females who say if for them woman look for next woman or then you see them talk to her next woman the same way, them go beat them and do all kind of things to them. You know what I mean? Female spot and spot violence is real. And just like how we say, the woman them one of them situation they must talk up. We see the ads on TV and whatever themselves. Ladies, if your man do this to you, if your man beat you, talk up. Well, ladies, if your woman beat you, talk up. Let's get it out there, cause it happen. You can't address something unless you acknowledge that it's real and it exists. It's not no 1 and 2 or 3 or 4 cases. Anyway, if they want to write it so, you know them topics are sensitive. Within a 1 hour, probably soon get another email warning about community guidelines and all kind of things. So, I believe they want to write it so. Patreon squad, big up on himself. PIA, you don't know, no life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.